위스콘신에 살고 있는 한 여성이 자신의 개가 울타리 밖으로 혼자 나갔고 다른 행인들을 공격하고 있다는 신고를 하게 됩니다. 평상시에 이 개는 주인마저도 공격해왔고 동네 이웃 주민들 또한 공격해 굉장히 위험한 존재였다고 하는데요.
My other dog in the car, and that's why he's there. I had my friend come here because he busted my wooden fence to come to me.
Whose dog's that one? Yours?
Both of them.
So why can't you take care of your dog? Why?
I was in here mixing up Benadryl and dog food to put him down. They're doing euthanization.
Why would you do that?
Because they're killing him tomorrow. He's attacked too many people. He's dangerous. Please.
Here you go, bud. There. All right.
Atlas, behave.
Well, he's scared. This is 68 to 79. I kind of caught the tail end. Are you getting that snare? It's currently on top of a car in the middle of the road.
Is there a way you just could tase that dog?
Oh, why would I tase the dog? It's not doing anything right now.
Well, it was. It was chasing people down the street.
No, I'm not going to tase the dog. We have a snare catcher thing coming, so the dog's just up there right now. I'm not too worried.
Yeah, she gave this dog like 6 Benadryls.
I can only imagine what she's done, so... Yeah, no, I'm just going to sit here and wait. I'm not going to do anything. It's her dog or something. It shouldn't be my problem, you know what I mean?
Right, I know. It ain't our problem either.
Exactly.
We're losing customers because
100%. So I'd sit on the car, so right now my partner's on his way up here with one of them.
경관과 행인이 잠시 동안 대화를 나누는 사이 견주는 개를 잡으려고 했고 이 과정에서 견주를 도와주려던 한 행인이 또 개의 공격을 받게 됩니다.
Well, I mean, yeah.
I didn't know.
I don't think she made anything better.
You bit? Bleeding? No.
Nothing bleeding.
All right, that's all.
But no, I'd say
Well, I
just...
tried telling him.
Here, come back
open
here.
up the car door.
Well, I know.
But he's chicken.
Well, you're not taking care of your dog. That's bit people.
Talk to her like you had her, and put her on the leash right away, and calm her down. And if you have to, let her go, but leave the leash on.
Atlas. Come here, baby.
That's why I think he should get out of here with the other dog. I think that dog's agitated from somebody in the car.
Well, it'd be worse because he'd be coming at you. That's what he did to everyone else until he pulled up. Every damn person. You want to go to the cellar?
Is he gonna? Would he let you put this around him?
No, you're going to need to put that around him. Come from the back. I'll distract him up here.
Enough! You know, I don't.
I'm emergent for now. Are you good? Negative. We pepper sprayed the dog, so I don't know how this is gonna go going forward. Tell me, are you good?
Fuck it, Steve.
Is it? Let me see. You want a tourniquet or are you good?
No, it's not.
Sir, let's not even try it anymore.
Right now's the best. I got him pretty good.
Oh my God, dude, he got you. Oh my God.
Hey guys, skip.
I'm out.
I'm gonna shoot it if it comes again. Don't let him do that. Hey sir, back up. Here. It just bit him. We'll just have you back up. If it comes again, it's getting shot.
Oh, I don't shoot it. You're not going to pull your gun on it.
If it comes like that, if it comes on him like that, it's getting shot.
Let me try it one more time.
No,
I'll take it in my own hands.
No, nope, we're not doing that.
Why?
Just have you guys move this way just in case it does run this way again. I don't want anyone to get bit.
Come. Come here, Addie. Hey, come here. Come put it down. Atlas. Okay.
And then just hook her up to the leash. Move fast. Good girl.
Okay, come on.
Hold it down. Got her. I just leave her be there. We'll get a rope to her.
Okay.
Put her on the fire hydrant.
Put it down.
Got her under control.
It's like, why couldn't she have done it?
We're telling him to. He's moving it.
Go.
Well, why would you do that? It's risky he could be attacked again.
It's her dog.
Yeah, that's retarded.
Walk him home. Yeah.
We gotta take him to.
Yeah, so you leave with the dog.
Hey, careful.
Get out of there. The dog is now.
They're gonna sit there like retarded.
Okay, are you gonna be cooperative at all or no?
I'm trying, but I can't get people.
We got the dog on a leash.
Put it around him. Come on, now. Come on, I'm scared. Guys, put him on the other end.
sever.
Jump her in there. Get some shit out of the way. Get some stuff out of the way.
No, hang on, back cage. In the back.
Back.
Yeah, back up. Oh my god.
You're all right.
Jeremy, you okay?
It's down to the bone.
Where are first responders?
They're right there. Lunged, like the pole went into me, and then I fell, and then it got out, and then it came in.
I told them to help me. They wouldn't fucking help me, and it ended up in a whole shit show.
Is it normal to be that color?
Yeah, it's turning a little purple. Got strength yet?
I mean, it's tingling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of
It's
getting.
kind of deep. You got a pretty good deep gout.
Yeah.
Go on in and sit down on the captain.
I find it funny because this is all coming back on the police.
How did he get off the leash? Like, how did he get out here?
He busts through my backyard fence. I didn't let him out. He didn't just like get loose. He busts through a 6-foot privacy fence, and I'm over there mixing up Benadryl and dog food because I had to come out my bedroom window. I didn't have the keys or anything getting any other door, so I was mixing it up. They gave me a steak there. I put it in the steak to try to see how the sedation was going to work for tomorrow. This could have all been prevented.
Deborah, let me just, before, like, you're talking to me right now. I just got on shift. I was not here for the entirety of all of your 911 calls. I don't know what happened beforehand, okay? I got here as soon as I could, and I was coming from the south side. I get that you're frustrated with us. I have to do my job and get information from you so that
I've already waited to talk to the captain.
Okay.
This is not going to end in your guys' favor.
Well, it's probably not going to end in your favor either.
Oh, wow. This is f***ing insane. I've asked for your guys' assistance.
Do you see how unreasonable it is to tell dispatch, hey, have an officer come here and shoot my dog?
It's not unreasonable. You see how unreasonable he is?
But it's your dog, right? It didn't.
That attacked me.
Okay, it attacked multiple people. Could it have been shot? Yes. Is that an ideal, justified outcome? Probably not.
Bill, I'm going to need an attorney right now. They're putting this on me when I begged and begged for help. Yeah, of course you are.
I'm not putting it on you, but you're putting it on me. I'm trying to ask you what happened. You're saying it's my fault I didn't get here sooner. I just started my
I didn't
shift.
say it was your fault. I said it's lacrosse police department because I begged for the help on Saturday night when I climbed through my bedroom window. I've asked for this help. Nobody helps me. Okay, I asked for this help today. Nobody helps me. Do you understand that?
And steaks from the bar. She fed him literally right outside the f***ing back door, and as soon as it started to hit him, that dog went f***ing ape shit. He started jumping up on the front door. Anybody that was coming by, he started f***ing going after. I tried to put him on a leash to get him into a fenced yard for you guys. A lot of Benadryl. It was over a whole pack of f***ing Benadryls. She gave him puppy chow and steaks from the bar. She fed him literally right outside the f***ing back door, and as soon as it started to hit him, that dog went f***ing ape shit. He started jumping up on the front door. Anybody that was coming by, he started f***ing going after. I tried to put him on a leash to get him into a fenced yard for you guys.
Go take a look. You said your fence was damaged?
Yeah. That's the only way you got
what's
come
that?
over here.
No, just don't. Hey, just wait right here. I'll go take a look. Just gonna go take a look at her fence. Yeah. I'm not seeing anything.
That's pretty secure to me.
Yeah. I think we should PBT her as well. I think she's pretty intoxicated.
Is it broken? No.
Just had one more thing for you here, okay? Have you ever done a PBT before?
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
Okay, and the reason why I'm
Who
asking...
cares? I'm sitting here dealing with a stressful ass f***ing dog.
Well, just...
Why? What? Are you f***ing kidding me right now?
It's just for me to get a better understanding of the situation with,
I
with drinking.
refuse.
Okay, that's fine.
Let it go. All right, just a little bit, not a lot. Yeah. There you go, close it.
There,
You're fine. There you go.
there you go. I'm not liking how this is going.
If we give you a treat, is that going to just relax?
Okay.
I know. Inject you in the mouth.
So he's probably got that needle in.
He does have that needle in his mouth. Why would you bite that?
You got him.
Not a little bit, so we'll see how it goes.
Well, we didn't want that.
도착해서도 진정이 되지 않은 아틀라스는 진정제를 2-3반 정도 더 맞고 나서야 진정이 되었다고 합니다.
And then you guys all
Are we doing
know
the stretcher then?
to be cautious when you're pulling on this, not to release
Sure, doesn't
that.
release, yes. So now, are we doing the stretcher then?
Yeah.
Okay.
We could potentially just do it for fun.
Right.
Somebody wanna hold you.
Once it gets on, you want to take the other back in? Push it forward. Take that feather off. No. So Paul, you just want to grab the stretcher now? Help out.
Whichever way.
이번 사건의 결말로는 다행히 이 핏불테리어가 광견병 백신을 맞은 상태였지만 경찰은 해당 맹견을 동물병원에 이송하였고 결론적으로 안락사를 지켜야 한다는 결론이 나왔습니다. 핏불의 공격적인 행동으로 인해 상처 입은 경관 및 이웃 주민들은 병원으로 이송됐으며 1년이 넘는 공격성을 보인 이 맹견은 결국 안락사로 생을 마감하게 됩니다. 우리나라에서도 맹견 및 반려견 관련 법령이 있습니다. 먼저 반려견으로 목줄 또는 가슴줄 착용을 해야 하고요. 위반 시 과태료 최대 50만 원까지 나올 수 있습니다. 맹견인 경우에는 먼저 정의부터 살펴보자면 도사견, 핏불테리어, 스테퍼드셔 등 특정 품종 및 지방자치단체에서 지정한 지정견입니다. 외출 시 목줄, 입막에 착용이 의무화되고 있고요. 몸길이 2m 이하, 목줄, 가슴줄 또는 이동장치 사용 의무가 있습니다. 사고 시 보상을 책임하기 위한 의무화 보험 가입이 있고요. 위반 시에는 과태료 최대 300만 원까지 나올 수 있습니다. 맹견을 키우고 계시다면 안전시설도 설치를 해주셔야 하고요. 울타리, 경고표지 등 탈출 위해 방지 시설도 필요합니다. 위반 시 처벌로는 신체 상해 시 2년 이하 징역 또는 2천만 원의 벌금이 나오고 사망했을 시에는 3년 이하의 징역 또는 3천만 원 이상의 벌금이 부과됩니다. 반려견은 우리의 소중한 가족이지만 그로 인해 누군가가 다친다면 그 책임 또한 가족의 일처럼 우리가 온전히 감당해야 합니다. 사랑하는 만큼 더 많은 배려와 책임이 따르기 때문에 항상 안전을 위한 노력으로 나도 타인도 존중받는 사회를 만들어야겠습니다. 구독과 좋아요는 영상 제작에 큰 힘이 됩니다. 앞으로 더 재미있는 영상으로 인사드리겠습니다. Raw&Police 로폴이었습니다.